Contamination. It's the #1 cause of optical fiber failure in data centers, and it's also the easiest and most inexpensive to prevent. This shouldn't be a surprise, given that the diameter of an optical fiber core is smaller than that of a human hair. Microscopic contaminants can effectively block light from being transmitted through a link. The most effective method of cleaning fiber end faces or ports is using a specialized solvent with wipes or swabs. In fact, a recent study published by a major cable manufacturer states that you can actually gain anywhere between 0.14 to 1.39 dB from cleaning alone. To find out whether a fiber end face or port is dirty, you'll need a microscope. Using one of Fluke Network's video or optical microscopes, you can clearly and easily examine an end face or port for any contamination. There are lots of contaminant sources, but the most common of these are airborne dust particles, skin oils, and lint and fabric found on all clothing. If you observe any contamination, you should use the proper cleaning supplies to clean it. To clean a fiber end face, you'll need a solvent pen and a lint-free cleaning card or wipe. The first step is to dab the wipe or cleaning card with the pen, making it wet. Next, press the dirty fiber end face against the solvent portion of the wipe or cleaning card in a perpendicular manner and move it from wet to dry. Inspect the end face again with a microscope to ensure that it's clean. If it's not, you'll need to repeat the process until the port is free from contamination. The process for cleaning a port is similar to cleaning an end face. You'll need a solvent pen, lint-free wipes, and also some port swabs. Just like before, the first step is to dab the wipe with a pen to get it wet. Next, you'll want to wet the port swab by pressing it against the portion of the wipe with the solvent on it. Take the wet swab and clean the port. Select a new dry swab and wipe the port again. Similar to the fiber end face cleaning process, re-inspect and clean until the port is entirely clear of contamination. For more information on Fluke Network's industry-leading fiber inspection and cleaning solutions, visit www.flukenetworks.com/fiberclean.